It looked like it was going to be this week until it was not. The Fulton County case against former President Donald Trump appears to be stuck in this holding pattern now. Brandon Rittiman has more on how much longer the grand jury process could take.
The signal's been out for weeks. The next criminal case against former President Trump, if there is to be one, will come from Atlanta.
We could not cast a larger spotlight if we tried.
So far, we've seen security preps outside the courthouse, but the thing it's all about, a grand jury inside the courthouse deciding whether to indict?
I feel like I'm watching a soap opera unfold because day by day, nothing seems to happen.
So much nothing happening, legal experts don't see DA Fani Willis getting an indictment this week.
It's unlikely because of a simple jury management question.
It's not going to happen this week. I think it will happen early next week, in my view. We'll see. I've been wrong before.
We're all stuck reading these tea leaves because of a key difference between how the federal cases work and what's going on here in Fulton County. On the federal level, the special prosecutor has grand juries just to deal with the former president's cases. Here, though, it goes in the hopper with all the other Atlanta area city crimes. So instead of dealing with the former president, today the grand jurors were dealing with a homicide case.
The normal murders, armed robberies, drug deals.
One thing's clear, a handful of ordinary Georgians are in for some of the wildest jury duty imaginable.
They have heard today a very serious case that dealt with murder and child abuse. And they very well may be asked next week to deal with this case in the election probe.
The DA is expected to condense her 8-month investigation into a 2-day grand jury session that includes hearing live testimony from witnesses. And so far, no sign the witnesses have been given their 48-hour warning. The timing of those notices matters.
She probably needs 2 full days to present evidence to the grand jury.
Each of Fulton County's 2 grand juries meets just 2 days a week. That means if the DA's case takes longer than 2 days, it would delay any expected indictment yet another week. Brandon Rittiman, 11 Alive News.